Hey everybody, Ash Brown, founder and CEO of Empiraa. If you don't know who I am, this is the May update of everything that's gone on in Empiraa into product right now. So right now we have complete private labeling. So you're able to, in here, completely pimp out your environments. So you can put your logos in there, put your clients' logos, change the menu bar color, change the primary color, so you can completely customize the look and feel of Empiraa to suit your firm, consultancy, whatever it is that you've got. You can actually do that now. So that's really the big update that people have asked for. Also, the other thing that people have actually asked for is the My Portal. So the My Portal now, you can see all your clients in one basic portal. So you can see, okay, well, Greensphere, you're not going that well, but Ironclad's going pretty well, Novacore. So you can see who's going well and who's not. So you've got access to all your clients. You can check it over the last 30 days, over this month. So just say here, we go into Ironclad, we can go in and have a look at the reporting, which is just awesome. That you can see, okay, how many of their objectives are at risk, how many are on track, how often they're logging in, who their top performers are, all their objectives, how the objectives are being distributed. So we were able to have this nice little portal for you to see your clients, but then also have access to their client reports and be able to go in and out of them really quickly. So you can just go bang, I want to go to Greensphere, I want to go to Craftail, I can just go into that. So it allows the consultant or the professional service, advisory, if you're an accountant, it allows everyone to have access really, really quickly to their clients and have an overview versus, doing the old check-ins via email and them never getting back to you. You're able to add new accounts really quickly, so you can see, do we want to register a new account? No, we don't. So you could register new sub accounts, which is great. At the back end of this month, you'll be able to create templates and actually just duplicate those templates, but we'll touch on that soon. And the biggest update, in all honesty, is this good little thing here. Let's just go into revenue for 35 mil. And see the little number here? That's our objective number. So you want to keep that. And then you want to integrate into this objective. We now have native Zapier integrations inside Empiraa. So you can create any workflow that you want with templates. So this one here, let's add to the financial objective. This is one we want to do. We go in here, loads up. Zapier is all natively built inside of it. We can check which account we're going to use. We've got the demo account, and we can create workflows that will pull in every single time a new sales invoice comes in, or the status, it's approved, it's awaiting payment, whatever it is, however you want to create it. You can go bang, and then from here we can go to Empiraa, and we pick Ironclad projects, and we pick Ironclad, continue, we put the objective ID and the total, and every single time now that a new invoice is generated or paid, it will pull directly into Empiraa. So if we go publish, it will just natively do it from now on. It will just continue to say every time an invoice is paid, it will pull directly into it. So if we go back to that objective, we can see here that the value has changed. So it's now 251,650. So every time something happens on that objective, it will pull in directly. So no longer do you need to sit there and update the data. You can actually create workflows inside Empiraa using in all honesty, the greatest integration tool known to man, which is Zapier. There's all these popular templates that we're building out, and we're consistently building out. So does it connect up to Asana? Yes. Does it connect up to Safety Culture? Yes. Does it connect up to a spreadsheet? Yes. You can have it from everything from, there's a company that wants to use Quotient. Is a product that I didn't even know about, but guess what? It works. So you connect it up. So every time, there we go, every time a financial updated in Quotient, it'll pull through. Then, or you can create your own workflows where you can have it. So just say here, we've got when we want a workflow that's a new sales invoice that adds to to an objective, but then we can add, well, actually, we want a notification in Slack every time that happens. And then you can create a notification inside Slack or Teams that, hey, this objective has been updated. So you can create your own workflows inside Empiraa. You can have it so it sends out an email. Cool. We've got an API manager now inside of it, so it's really, really simple to use. So we're able to create these workflows for consultants, advisors, and professional services to work with their clients. So instead of chasing them for PDFs, spreadsheets, email updates, all the usual stuff, it will natively flow into here. And so when you are working with your client, they're just looking at the things that they need to focus on and they can see where they're at. So this one here, speak to Chris, and basically we can see what's going on there. So there's communications growing through there. Also, too, we're able to go into the full and actually see what's working, what's not working. So we could do filters, so you can work with your clients in a really, really simple way. But yeah, we've really tried to create a really integrated, simple, strategic experience for you and your clients so you can work with them in a really simple and effective way. So that's the updates for May. We're looking to increase the API and also build out a really, really robust templating here so you'll be able to create entire strategic plans in seconds using your framework and bringing your clients in with your software available. So with your branding, I should say. So once again, this is what we do. We're continually helping consultants and business advisors and accountants. We're growing every month. We've got hundreds of resellers across the US pushing Empiraa. So we're looking forward to working with you and everyone around you. So if you need anything, feel free to reach out to me at ash@empiraa.com or check out Empiraa, Empiraa.com for any more information.